Can I actually buy gold with my retirement plan? So most people think investing in gold means buying a few coins, tucking them into a safe, and hoping for the best. But what most people don't know is that the IRS actually allows you to own physical gold and silver inside your retirement plan. Yes, your 401k, your traditional IRA, even a TSP or SEP. You can use existing retirement funds to buy real, physical metals without triggering a taxable event, legally. So why haven't you heard more about it? In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, the tax advantages that come with it, and the #1 mistake people make when moving their retirement money into gold. Let's dive in. Here's why this matters. Right now, inflation is eating away at your purchasing power. Markets are bouncing around unpredictably, and a lot of folks are starting to wonder, is my retirement as secure as I thought? Gold and silver have been used as money for thousands of years, and today, they remain one of the most reliable hedges against inflation and financial volatility. In fact, gold has averaged about 23% growth annually over the past few decades. Silver, around 18.5%. And the best part? You don't have to pull money from your checking account or sell off assets. You can use funds that are already sitting inside your retirement plan. Let me walk you through how it works. Step 1 is opening a new account with a custodian that allows physical gold. Not all custodians do, but a select few are IRS approved to hold metals inside retirement accounts. Step 2 is what's called a transfer or rollover. Here's what that means. If you have an IRA, whether traditional, Roth, or SEP, you'll typically need to liquidate those assets into cash first. Then you request a transfer into the new gold IRA. If you have a 401k, 403b, or TSP, you will need to move a portion of your account into cash before doing a rollover, just like with a traditional IRA. The good news? You don't need to sell everything, and once that cash is ready, you can authorize a direct rollover without triggering taxes or penalties. We help guide you through this process. We assist with the paperwork, we help you get on a custodial call if needed, and we make sure it's done properly so there are no tax penalties. Now, once your new account is funded, you can use it to purchase gold or silver. These are held in a secure IRS-approved depository. Options include facilities in Delaware, Texas, and Nevada. All of them are fully insured and audited. You don't have to worry about storage, theft, or logistics. It's all handled securely by professionals. Now let's clear up some common questions. Why can't I hold the gold myself? Because retirement assets are tax advantaged, the IRS requires that gold be held in an approved depository. But that doesn't mean you can't ever access it. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, for example, age 59.5 for traditional IRAs, or the 5-year rule for Roth IRAs, you can take what's called an in-kind distribution. This means you can physically receive your metals instead of selling them for cash. And here's the interesting part. When you take that distribution, the IRS doesn't tax you based on the retail price. They tax you based on what's called the melt value, or spot price. That means your tax burden is often lower than the actual market value of the gold. That's a big advantage, especially for folks taking required minimum distributions. Another common question is, what about the quality of the metals? The gold and silver purchased through your account are minted and certified from globally recognized institutions. They're sealed, trackable, and verified, right down to the ounce. If this opened your eyes to a smarter way to secure your retirement, we'd love to help you take the next step. You don't have to navigate this alone. Our team is here to walk you through the process and make it simple, secure, and aligned with your long-term goals. Want to save even more money? Watch this next video to learn the hidden tax advantages of buying gold inside your retirement plan and learn how to keep even more money in your pocket.